I'm going to walk you through Access Pearson. So when you go to our course and click on All Courses, find our course. Right here, you'll see some tabs, so it'll automatically go to Home or Modules. Right underneath, you'll see Access Pearson. So click on that. And then you'll click on Open Pearson, and it'll open a new tab. And then it'll ask you for either kind of like your login. And so most students will already have their North Shore login popped up. Some students, it's letting them just go right in to the Pearson course. Do not purchase anything. So if you have any issues, please reach out and we can figure it out. You've already paid for this by paying for the course. To be able to use this, so we just kind of have to need it set up. So most of you will have your North Shore email. It might look a little different because this is the teacher page. Your Canvas login, and then some students logged in using their Canvas password, but and then it'll let you log in. Some students, there's a continue right here, and so some students just clicked on the continue and it let them continue with our course. So once you log in, you will see a little square. Let me kind of show you a little square of the book. So right here, you'll have this little square and it'll say Open MyLab. So you'll click on that. So after you get past that login information, you'll see the book, click on Open MyLab, and yours will look a little differently. Let me see if I can go to something. So the students, yours will automatically go to the homepage dashboard that will look like this. So your homepage dashboard, and you'll see all of the upcoming assignments. So I usually have all the units open at once. So especially with an online class, you can get ahead. And then the blue dots are your homework. Everything is unlimited amount of times. The green squares are your quizzes, and the green down here is the practice test. So everything is unlimited amount of times. You can get 100%. So this is something that you can control, and it's so important to continue to practice math over and over and over. Just make sure with MyMathLab, when you go into the homework, each homework question is separate. So if you get one wrong, they'll just give you a new one. But with the quizzes, so say you take the whole quiz of like 8 questions and you get a 90%, and you want 100%, you need to retake the whole quiz. But for the homework, each one is separate. So for this one, what number plus 6 equals 8? Well, I know 2 plus 6 equals 8. So right here, when you're plugging in your numbers with MyMathLab, you cannot have any spaces. So just put the number. Don't put again x equals. It'll mark it wrong. It reads everything you type and think it's part of your answer. So no spaces in MyMathLab. So then you'll click check answer and then next question. So when you're done, you don't have to do them all in one sitting. You can do a few and then do and come back to it. So you can hit save, and then you'll see all the questions with a little green check, meaning that it's saved. So look at question 1. So you don't have to do them all in one sitting. You can click on different ones to start different places. So this is how you do and log in to the new Access Pearson.